in this video, I'm going to be running this low voltage box for a Cat 6 plug ran to the modem. So I prefer to do it like this. To me, that just looks a lot neater than when people drill holes in the floor and have a long, like 10, 12-foot whip of cabling coming up into the room that's ran around the room or whatnot. And that, to me, that just looks ugly. And I don't like to do that. So this is how I like to do it. Get a low voltage box from Home Depot. I've already marked out my studs here. I'm going to be running in between these two because the other two have heat ducts going up through to the second floor. So I'm going to kind of try to run it around somewhere in the middle of here. I looked downstairs kind of tracking where this is, and it looks like I'm going to be kind of more towards the right side of this. So I'm going to level this box in. Take your drywall saw, cut it out. Usually try to take those out, but that one fell on me. Make sure the low voltage box will fit. Yep. Alright. Look clear in there. I don't see any pipes or anything like that around. So, alright, now I'm going to go downstairs. It's a little tight down there, so I'm not going to video this, but you're going to want to measure from your walls to figure out exactly where this wall is. Sometimes you'll see other wires coming up this wall, so you'll see a hole down there drilled through. Maybe you'll see a cable for this coming through, or even other heat ducts or something like that going through that wall. That'll kind of give you an idea where this wall is. So I'm going to go finish drilling that. Typically what I would do is I would use my fish tape, and I would fish it up from the bottom. It'd be easier to see and pull into this box, and then feed the wire all the way down through. But I'm running a 100-footer, and I can actually kind of see the hole through here. So I'm going to actually just try to feed this down through that hole, because I think it'll be easy enough to do. Yep, I actually just got it through. So that's ran down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tape one end of this Cat 5 cable or Cat 6 cable onto the end of that fish tape, and then I'm going to pull it up into this box. So I'm going to do that. I'll be right back. One thing I forgot to mention, the hole that I drilled down there to feed the wire through, I drilled it 1 inch so that I would have plenty of room to pull this wire up through, taping onto the fish tape. So there it is. Also, when I taped it, I kind of taped around the Ethernet cable so that it wouldn't get any dirt or sheetrock dust in it. Alright, next, take this head here, this cap, and this insert. Now, I had to buy these both separately. They sell ones that have 2 holes. They sell some that have 3. You can do a double box with like 6 holes all combined. Yeah, you get the top kind of clipped in there, and then you hinge the bottom up in there. Had it upside down, so yeah, start the bottom, clip the top in. That's what it's going to look like there. It even says Cat 6 on the face. I don't know if you can see that or not. Now, what's nice about these connectors, by these specific ones, you don't have to wire anything. All it is plug and play. I'm going to clean that. All I'm going to do is that. I'm going to feed it in. That's going to go right there. just screw them in. Another thing you could have used instead of this is this right here. Now, this just simply has a hole. You could have used this instead. I like this because it just looks a lot cleaner. The last step on this end is the cover.